And now we have a hotline from Maeve in Australia.
Dearest beloved Master and Supreme Master television team, I greet you in immense humble gratitude for your saving presence on earth during these precarious times, as well as for the immeasurable blessings you've bestowed upon me in my life. I wanted to share one such recent experience regarding the outer blessings received through the use of the Supreme Master TV Max spiritual tool to divert a serious impending disaster. I live in the southeast Queensland region of Australia. At the beginning of March 2025, due to the changing weather patterns, a recent unprecedented cyclone had travelled further south than had been seen in over 50 years and threatened the highly populated Brisbane area. I was particularly concerned as forecast models had anticipated the cyclone to make first landfall over my exact town where I actually reside in my hometown on the seafront, alongside taking appropriate precautions including sandbagging and securing my windows. From the predicted ocean surge, I had Supreme Master TV Max running on all of my devices 24 hours a day. The cyclone was quite slow moving, but when it came closer to its impact, my family urged me to travel to the country to be with them and remain safe. I felt reluctant to leave my home, as I was at least able to assist the area with the protective energy of running Supreme Master TV Max. Before I left for safety, I took the opportunity to share Supreme Master TV Max with some local friends who very much appreciated the gesture and told me they'd use it in my absence. After much anticipation, the cyclone's intensity was thankfully downgraded to a lower category storm just before making landfall. I was able to return home quite soon and resume playing Supreme Master TV Max. My local community suffered little effect from any damaging wind gusts, rain or tide surges associated with the storm compared to other areas. I feel convinced that this was directly due to Master's arrangements, which made such a blessing tool as Supreme Master TV Max available to my area and our world in these times of dire need. I write in heartfelt appreciation for all of your tireless efforts to render your elevating assistance to your God's disciples and the whole planet at this time of transition into the peaceful kingdom to come. May God Almighty keep you always in comfort and peace during this difficult time and mission, dearest Master. With all my love, Maeve from Australia.
Courageous Maeve, we are thankful to know that your community was spared from the cyclone's damage and that all were safe. We agree that the blessings of Supreme Master TV Max brought positive energy that was able to provide protection from the storm. We are so blessed to have Master to protect us. May you and the capable Australian people feel the warmth of God's eternal love. Supreme Master TV team.
P.S. Master has a caring message for you. Strong-hearted Maeve, thank you for seizing the opportunity to share Supreme Master TV Max with your friends and for your kind well wishes. It is wonderful that your community and home came through a cyclone so well. May you and both Australia always be blessed with strength and stability. Lots of love to you and yours.
Vegan, because we want to teach our children to be a noble person.
We welcome your heartlines, stories, and all cute, loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/hotline.